Ah, lucky Peter.
Superb, Amy, well done. Good legs. Sit down, sit down. Well done, Jeff. Lucky Cubs. Right, you turn. Finish. Good strike, Brainy.
Oh, lucky.
And again, Dave. Come on, Dave.
Go on, Naomi.
And we've got options. It's got to be a bit quicker. Squeeze. All of you squeeze.
Go! Go on, Naomi.
Go on, Naomi. Yes.
Oh, no.
That's the one who's got the ball now. She shouldn't be having that. And she shouldn't be getting across in either.
Oh, unlucky.
Well done, Katie.
Look. Go.
Wicked.
Well done, yes.
Oh, lucky. Yeah.
Yes.
Yes! Well done, Cooksy!
Everything away.
Thank God.
Outstanding, Coops.
Yeah, it does.
One ball. Yes. I thought we won. That's close to football now. Oh, that's lovely turn as well. That's lovely turn. Still there.
Cooksy.
Oh! Unlucky Coops. Turn the tail of the ball. Look in here. Look in here. Sin.
Oh!
Can you take the two of them on? That's what it means. Out, George! Get it out!
Yes, Johnny.
Oh, unlucky.
That's much better.
She's dying.
On the back there.
Well done, Charles.
Go on. Oh,
Unlucky, Charlotte!
Now. Well done, Ashman.
oh! Corner ball! Be careful that shot. Oh, there's that. You got it? 45 on the dot.